this man faced a serious accident. Now, a doctor passing by immediately bandaged his hand because he was losing a lot of blood. So, first thing which he ensured was that the man doesn't lose more blood. Now, once the man was taken to the hospital, the first thing that was done was that his wounds were stitched so that there is no more blood loss. Also, he was given more blood so that whatever blood was lost, that can be replenished. Now this was such a major accident. But even when you fall down and cut yourself, the first thing that your parents do is they bandage the wound. Now, why do they do that? So that you don't lose blood. So you see, blood is a very important part and we do not want to lose it. Now, except for blood, all the different parts or organs are fixed in their place. So, if all these organs want to exchange important nutrients, well, they need something. Well, that transportation thing is blood. Blood is responsible for transportation between all these different organs. And why can blood do it while all the other organs cannot? Well, that's because blood is liquid in nature. So it can flow throughout the entire body. And as a result, it is able to transport important nutrients to all parts of the body. So you see, blood travels to all parts of the body, as you can see here. And with it, it carries all the important nutrients to different parts of the body. You see, not just food, even oxygen is carried to different parts of the body by blood. And then the body is able to convert both of them into energy. And only then can we survive. So it is blood which is responsible for transportation of food as well as oxygen. Now, how is oxygen transported to different parts of the body? Well, when we breathe in, then oxygen enters into our body, and then from here blood takes it to different parts of the body, that is to different organs of the body, and then that oxygen along with food is converted into energy. So blood is responsible for transporting oxygen to different parts of the body along with food. Now, what are the characteristics of blood? Well, it is liquid in nature, it flows throughout the body, and it is red in color. These are the three very important characteristics of blood. Now, a very interesting thing about blood is that if in the laboratory you try to separate the different components of blood, you will get two different parts. One is this yellowish type of liquid and this red solid. Now, this yellowish type of liquid is called plasma, and this red solid is what gives blood the red color. So the red color which you see in blood are actually solid particles mixed in liquid plasma, and they together make up blood. Now, there is a small experiment which you can perform to confirm that blood exists in every part of our body. And how would you do that? Well, as you can see here, if you press your nails like this, then what exactly happens? Well, you will notice that as soon as you press your nails here, they become white. And as soon as you release the nails, then again they become slightly reddish in color. Why does that happen? Well, when you press your nails here, then you are obstructing the flow of blood in this region. As a result, you can see only the white color of the nails. But as soon as you release it, well, the blood starts flowing in this area, and so it becomes slightly reddish. So it is a very clear example that blood is present in every part of our body. So you see, blood is a very important component of our body. It is responsible for transportation of both food and oxygen. And as it is liquid in nature, it is able to easily flow throughout the body. So whenever we get hurt, the first thing we ensure is that we stop the loss of blood, so that all the important functions of the body are carried out without any problem. That is, the delivery boy of the body is fit and fine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.